People want to speak up, but not everyone feels safe doing it. Your employees have ideas that could change everything, but they hesitate because their names are attacked. That's where anonymous surveys make all the difference. Hi, my name's Elias, and at ProProfs Customer Voice Academy, we've helped thousands of teams create surveys that not only gather data, but capture attention. In this video, I'll show you how I create an anonymous survey, one that replaces hesitation with honesty. Stick around until the end too for a quick trick to build yours even faster. Alright, so I'm creating this survey inside ProProfs Survey Maker, and I'm using AI to speed things up. All I need to do is, for example, collect honest feedback from new employees, and basically in seconds, AI drafts an entire set of really thoughtful questions for me. And from there, I can tweak the tone, I can reorder questions, or I can add new ones, so it just feels just right for my audience, right, if I want to tweak it or change it. By the way, if you like discovering faster, smarter ways to create surveys that people actually enjoy answering, subscribe right now. Every week, we share new tips that make your surveys not just better, but more human. All right, next, I decide who can take part, whether the survey should be open to everyone or limited to a specific group. Then I toggle on anonymous responses. That one switch ensures that no personal details, names, emails, or IDs are stored anywhere. For that moment, your participants can share their thoughts freely, right? And that's where the feedback really starts to get real. People stop holding back and they start saying what they truly think because they don't have to worry about their opinions being connected to them in real life. When people start feeling safe sharing their truth, feedback becomes a lot more powerful. Suddenly, it's not just survey data, it's insight that you can actually use, ideas that you'd never hear otherwise, helping teams grow and leaders make smarter decisions. If you think more teams should collect feedback this way, share this video. It might help someone finally get the honest answers they've been missing. And that's basically how I create an anonymous survey that turns silence into honesty and feedback into growth. Now, let me give you those 3 bonuses I promised, and the ones that you'll love in ProProfs Survey Maker, and that's the AI survey builder that drafts quality questions in seconds, the smart templates for every goal, and one-on-one support for you to get the hang of the dashboard quickly.
To get all of this, all you need to do is use the sign up link below.
Now, tell me in the comments down below, what is one bold question you'd ask if it could be 100% anonymous? I'll feature the best ones in the next video. If this helped you, like, share it, and subscribe for more ways to listen better and learn faster and lead smarter. See you in the next one.